Samji!
Doris!
What's going on in here?
The painters have been in.
So this is your new kitchen?
This is my new kitchen.
Do you know what? This is your new kitchen?
Yes.
No, I don't know if I can say that.
What?
It looks like you're going to bring someone back here and get rid of them.
With all the sheets out. You should see the bathroom, mate. This is insane. How are we getting on, Doris?
I am very good, thank you. And you've been watching something on Netflix lately?
Yes.
The big man himself?
Yeah, Bigfoot.
Tyson Fury?
Tyson Fury.
Tyson Fury.
At Home with the Furies.
At Home with the Furies. And I saw he reshared.
Yeah, he put us on the story.
Sick.
It was good.
Anyway, I just found a new drink when I was in the shop as well.
Okay.
He has got a new drink out. So I thought I'd get it for you because you love an energy drink.
We tried one of these before, didn't we?
Yes, blue one.
The blue one.
Yes.
And I'll be honest, it wasn't my favourite.
It wasn't your favourite.
It wasn't terrible.
I think he took into consideration what you said about the last one.
Okay.
That's why he's released this one.
Right.
That was the word on the street.
A champion of the winning mindset would rather to succeed. My hard-hitting tropical flavour drink will give you the taste of a champion, helping you to stay focused and alert to fight your daily challenge.
And this, obviously, I'm assuming it would taste better, just thinking forward, if it was cold.
Yes.
Because obviously that's just come off the shelf.
Yeah, it's alright though.
Do you drink your other energy drinks, like warm?
No.
Oh. Alright, well taste that.
What are you trying to say? I drink loads of energy drinks.
Yes.
Okay. It smells like the mango one that I drink usually.
Okay.
Oh. What does that taste like?
It's good branding. I like it. It's quite powerful.
It's very Tyson Fury.
Simplistic.
Furo City Champion.
Yeah.
What does that taste like? Drink of it. There's a drink that's quite similar. Or is it a sweet? Something similar. What is it?
Do you know them little purple? Do you know? Oh, I know what it tastes like. Do you know the little? They're like in the refresher things. The little purple violet things.
Palmer violets.
Palmer violets. A little bit.
Yeah. No, it tastes like pina colada.
Yeah.
It tastes a bit pina colada-y.
Does it?
Mm.
I don't know about that.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's not as fizzy either. It's not like on
So,
your belly.
what does that do out of 10 really?
I'd probably give it a 7.
Yeah? You don't want him to knock you out, basically.
I'd give it a 10.
He's going to one-bang you. He's going to one-bang you.
Yeah, no, that's alright, bruv.
Okay.
That one's better than the other one that I tried.
And also, I thought I'd get you, because obviously, a bit into your fitness and that these
Oh
days.
yeah, mate, they're going for runs and that. Oh, Tyson Fury again.
Yeah, he's got an energy bar.
Come on, the boy. I'm going to be buzzing in a minute. I'll get all this painting done. Power protein, chocolate fudge brownie, 20 grams of protein.
Mate, with all the walking up and down them stairs, that is fucking...
Oh, it's very chocolatey.
How much protein's it got in it?
20 grams. That's banging.
Yeah?
That's really good.
You recommend it? Is that another 10 as well?
No, that is actually a 10. Do you know what? Usually when you get protein bar,
Yeah.
they're very powdery and they're like a bit like...
Yeah.
But that's not. That's nice. Chocolate fudge brownie. It reminds me a bit like them things that come in purple packages, Swiss rolls. You know the little Swiss
I thought you
rolls?
was going to say this Palmer Violets.
Yeah, a bit like Palmer violets.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah,
So,
thanks, Miguel.
so 10 out of 10 for both?
No, that's a 7.
Oh, 7, all right.
If he knocks me out, he knocks me out.
If he knocks you out, he knocks you out. All right then, mate. I'll see if there's any other stuff in the shops that I can get you to try.
Look at my finger.
Oh,
You know what that
bad.
is?
What?
Sorry. That was because I was oiling the doors when I was holding the paintbrush.
Yeah.
And yeah, got one of them.
Do you want me to show you something funny?
Go on. This is funny.
Anyway, yeah, it's semi-permanent. It come out in a few washes.
You look like a cockatoo.
Yeah.